Hi friends, so today is a Costco haul. We just got back from Costco. You see the little ones back there. So this is the first Costco trip for 2018. So it's a bit much. So we're gonna fill up the pantry, and it's a lot of things for, snacks for school and stuff like that. But this is like every 3 months of stuff.
Two.
So Freddie said it's every 2 months, Freddie?
Yeah.
So Freddie thinks it's every 2. I think it's like every 3 months. So this is like a lot because this is like all the stuff we use, which in that time, cleaning products and food. So today we spent $6.25. We're a big family though. It's 5 people. So now the biggest challenge is putting all these things back. That's what I hate. But anyway, Charlie, stop.
I'm trying to get my box top.
He's trying to get the box top out for school. But anyway, I'm going to turn the camera around and just show you guys what I picked up from Costco. So it's a big haul. So yeah. Well, let me turn it around and show you guys what we got today. Today is mostly kids snacks for school and cleaning supplies. All right, over here we have all the kids snacks and their cereals, fruit roll-ups, Goldfish, Welch's fruit snack, Little Bites, Oreo cookies, and their Danimals, which they love the yogurts, the Go-Gurts, and the Danimals for like lunch. We have strawberries, milk, Nutella. Oh, and they like those granola bars. I like the Chobani, so do my kids. The Greek yogurt. And then we have the mac and cheese. Then we have some chips for snacks. Hershey Kisses. I said strawberries, right? And, oh, we got the M&Ms back there, which I love M&Ms. And then I have the ranch and the jelly. Oh, and then these cinnamon buns are so delicious. I love them. And then I got these for the first time. Raspberry cream cheese coffee cakes. They were so delicious. I ate them. We all love them. And then mini tacos. And then the spinach pies. Those are good to have in your freezer. The days that I don't really cook or we're really busy. We love that popcorn. And those are just cups. And the Skippy for the lunches. And peanuts, almonds, those with walnuts, and then pumpkin seeds. I like to mix them up for a little snack. And then storage bags, the quarts and the gallon, and I like those stand up and fill. And then the sandwich bags, and then the garbage bags, the Cascade and the Dawn. I need those. And vinegar and Tide Pods. I only use Tide Pods. I like how they clean and they're neat. Bounce, the Lysol toilet cleaner, Mr. Clean. The only thing missing is Bounty and toilet paper and baking soda. Alright, and then this is Neutrogena, the face wipes. That's a good deal. It's really big in the lot. Tylenol for the kids. Dove deodorant for me and my daughter. I like that. And Pantene for the hair. Then toothpaste. That toothpaste works really well. The Q-tips. And the only thing missing here is toothbrushes. I buy a whole big pack for us and for guests, but I had already. Poland spring water, and then some storage bins, which it was a good deal. It was 3 for I think 10. All right, thank you for watching. That's it for my Costco haul for this time, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.